To multiply a fraction by a whole number, I'm going to rewrite this fraction down here to show you that 5 must go over a 1, or the whole number must go over a 1 when multiplying a fraction. Now, anytime we see a whole number over 1, it just represents the whole number itself. If we were to divide 5 divided by 1, we'd get the same answer. But now we're given a denominator so that we can follow our strategy for multiplying fractions. That strategy is multiply straight across the numerator. So here, 2 times 5 is 10. And then multiply straight across the denominators. 4 times 1 is 4 to get the product. So we got the product of 10/4, but 10/4 is improper. Anytime we have an improper fraction, we need to follow the steps for converting that now to a mixed number. When we see the larger number on top, that means that there is more than one whole in this fraction. Anytime there's more than one whole, it's going to give us a whole number or a mixed number. So to do this, this really says 10 divided by 4. So 10 divided by 4, first step in simplifying, is turn it into a proper fraction. So 10 divided by 4, I can make 2 groups of 4. 2 times those groups of 4 is 8. Going to subtract. 10 take away 8 is 2. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. We tend to get a little confused here. 2 would normally be our remainder. 2 represents 2 pieces left, 2 pieces out of the whole. So that remainder is actually our numerator when we're working with fractions. The denominator is going to stay the same, still 4 parts to make that whole. So the last step to simplify, now that it's a mixed number, is to ask ourselves, can we divide the fraction, not the whole number, just the fraction, by 2, 3, 5, or 7? So let's take a look at it. Can we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2? The answer is yes. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now, please be careful not to forget your whole number here. The whole number is going to stay the same. I'm going to rewrite my product down here. My mixed number is 2 and 1/2. So when we simplify, it doesn't get rid of the whole number. So 2/4 times 5 is 2 and 1/2.